Hi beauty. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I know this is not like super brand new, but I did just receive it in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did tell you guys that I was going to do the unboxing because it was my first time receiving the Glam Bag Plus, but I received it. It was like a horrible experience. Like 20 days later I had to call them up like, what's wrong? Where's my package? This retails for $45. This is the first time that I'm reviewing like a face product from Huda Beauty. I've usually done like her lipsticks or some eyeshadows, but never like face products. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and look at it. So the packaging is very pretty. Depending how you turn it, you can see the highlight. Just take this out and it says 3D dimensional highlight palette, melted cream and powder, luxury blend of light reflecting pearls, buildable glow, effortless blendability. Let's open this up. I have not touched it at all because I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So all I have is like foundation. I am using today from Benefit is Happy Brightening Foundation. I did do a video if you want to see, but I've been loving this for summer. So you open it up and you actually get like the instructions here of how to use this palette, which I thought was pretty cool. And I have her upside down, sorry. There you go. That's her. Okay, so here it just tells you like step 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is in the Golden Sands edition. I did do some research and I found out that it comes like in 3 different editions. These are the shades. So you have here the color Fiji, which I believe is the cream one, and I love cream highlighters. Well, not all, but like the one from Benefit. You have here Seychelles, I believe you say that one. You have here Tahiti, Zanzibar. This looks like a blush to me, like a bronzer. I usually wear like a matte bronzer, so I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look. We'll do some swatches before we start applying it on the face. So I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Oh my god. Alright, so I did just swatch Fiji, which is right here. I was saying that it's super like golden, very gold shade. Now we're moving on to Seychelles right here. It looks like right next to each other. For the swatches it doesn't look super blinding, which is weird. You can barely see that. Alright, so this one's definitely very gold. This one is more like my kind of color that I like. Let's see how it applies on the face anyway. This is Tahiti. Alright, can you see? Fiji, Seychelles, Tahiti, Zanzibar. They honestly do feel extremely creamy, and I love the color of this blush. Love. Well, I'm calling it blush, but it's highlight anyway. I like all of them actually. They look very pretty, just that this one's not like my type of color, but there you go. They don't look too dark, so let's start applying. Before we get started applying, welcome if you're new. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Alright, so it says apply Fiji as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. Now we can follow this or we may not. We apply however we like, but let's try to follow here. Like I said, this looks very gold, so I don't know. I usually would like to like bronze first and use a blush, but we're just gonna try to do this to do the whole face. So I'm gonna apply like here, I believe. It's actually not too bad on the face. I'm trying to see if it just blends in, or I'm oily, so I'm not gonna put like down my nose or something crazy. It's just some parts that we're gonna highlight. Not like blown away at the moment, but it's nice. So you already see we have a nice shine. Now it says step 2, set. Dab Seychelles from cheek to temple. Set and bring out the pop. I will use a brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna apply. I wish this was a mirror because I keep doing this, but I'm gonna apply that just on top to set it. That is actually looking really nice. The color doesn't look like too dark for my skin tone, so it's good. Look at that. I don't feel like I have like this, just like this line of highlight. It's blending really well, but I can't wait to like add some color to the face. So I don't know how this is gonna be. It says apply Tahiti under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. The cheekbone, so I'm gonna apply it here and here, and we'll see how it looks, and then I'll do it like all around to like contour. Let's see how this color looks. Not a bad color actually. Totally like do these steps differently. I do this part first and then blush and then highlight, but we'll do it like this because I like how it looks there. Now I'm just gonna add it like here, and I don't feel like it's super glowy that it looks weird with like my oily skin. Like it's not something that I'm like, ew, I don't like how that looks, I'm too glowy. It actually looks nice. You see it, it doesn't look shiny or anything compared to this. This is a brush from Firma. This is the 103 brush. It's like a angled contour brush. I must say I do like the colors. Super excited for part 4, which is, it says flush. Sweep Zanzibar on apples of cheeks for a healthy glow. We're gonna do right now. I'm going to use my MAC one. I can't even read it anymore. I think it's the 128 or 129, but we'll take this here. I'm telling you, this color looks gorgeous when I swatched it. Okay, let's apply. So you see how fair I am, and this does not look like super intense, and this is like the golden sands one. So I'm gonna put some on my nose because I always do, just like that. It actually looks very pretty. Like you look very healthy and glowy, but not like super oily. Obviously these first 2 shades are gonna give you the most glow, but this one also has some glow to it. If you're oily like me, I would just keep very little amounts wherever you like to highlight, but just keep that in mind. So the color Fiji alone, I'm like not super a fan of. That's like the only one, but then you do top it, you do set it with this one, which is Seychelles, and then I really like how it looks. Really gorgeous. Obviously for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I only paid $25 and this is worth $45. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.